What's up, guys? So I'm working on the truck again today. Finally gonna put the long tubes on, but like always, tire's flat, so I gotta jack it up so I can fit the forks of the forklift under. This thing is so dirty. It's parked under a tree. There's hella stuff all over the hood and the front bumper. This thing's about to be stained so bad, but whatever. I guess I have to get a paint correction or something. I will, forklift it in, start working on it. This is scary as fuck. This is hella scary. More? Yeah. Please don't fall. Here are the keys. I need you to hold the steering wheel straight. Or it's gonna turn.
Only time I get to drive.
Battery's dead, bro. Battery's dead. Battery's dead. Struggle. I really hope this thing don't fall off the forks.
Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control.
Alright, so yeah, we have it all lifted up now. That's the transmission I was gonna put in. I ended up going with the 4L70. I ended up just going with the 4L60 that was in the truck, just because it came out of it, so why not? The internals and everything are pretty much exactly the same, and there's no reason to switch it out. What's up, boy? Lighter? Yeah. I also got new exhaust gaskets for it, just because they're off, so why not get new ones? Some OEM AC Delco ones. Yeah, just pretty much ready. Let's see if everything bolts up. The only thing I gotta see is, I think it's this one. See, it has like a little extra port for like the older models. So either I cut it off right here and we'll just tack it in and weld it, or just put a bolt in it for now. I don't know. I'll see right now. But I'm gonna just throw these on real quick. Alright, so I decided to weld it up. Cause why not? I got a welder here, so why not? Did a couple little extra tacks on each runner. Man, that thing's welded shut now. Now for it's time to put it in. Headers are on.
Bro, it's like I'm French kissing your cow.
Shout out that, let me put them on. Oh wait, do your thing, cuz. Just gotta tie them up now. Put the intake on. And then next to the transmission, whenever. That's it? That's it? Hey Hector, what'd you call that?
What?
His mating call?
His mating call? Tell it quiet out here.
Let's lower the truck because my short ass can't reach. Let's tie up the bolts. Alright, headers are on, tightened up. They actually fit in there pretty nice. I had 2 broken bolts in there, so it's gonna have an exhaust leak, but I don't feel like fixing that right now. Yeah, next thing is the intake, but that'll be another day. It's time to close up shop today, it's already late.
Alright, so the day has finally come to pick up the transmission. The truck's been down for a while now. So I'm pretty excited to finally be going to get that. Had on Carlos gave me a ride to pick it up because I had no way to get it. So it's finally gonna be back. Better than ever, so I'll keep recording when we get there. Alright, so it's all picked up now. Got the Circle D torque converter. It's only a stage 1 rebuild on that, but hopefully it lasts a good amount. I missed my truck. Yeah, finally got it. 2 grand later. Alright, so we just pulled up to the shop. Stopped by the house. I got some more parts for this. Came in today. So besides the fluid, that's all I need. Alright, let's unload it. Alright, so we unloaded everything. Man, there's the oil cooler I got. Got some steel braided hoses. Got the new fittings. You can barely see it. So, gotta keep it cooler. Let's hope this one lasts longer. Alright, so today's the day. I'm actually finally start putting that in. Yesterday I was going through all the parts, and I swear I thought this kit came with 10 AN to 6 AN reducers for the Mishimoto oil cooler, but I guess it doesn't. So I got some ordered. They'll come in Sunday. But yeah, she's almost back. We got it all pushed in. Shit's heavy. It's time for that one. Put it on the lift. Start putting that in. Alright, so we're starting off with some Deck 6. Putting some in the torque converter so it won't be completely dry. And I already got the fittings on here. With some thread sealant. So make sure that shit won't leak. Now I'm gonna set up the hoses, run them to the front, and cut them. And then after that, you gotta lock in the converter, and it should be ready to go in. Alright, so the truck's on the lift now. It's always kind of sketchy having it up there, but it's good. But it's pretty much all the parts. Airaid intake, Circle D converter, Mishimoto cooler, steel braided lines, Black Widow race venom muffler, and stage 1 4L60. ¿Qué pasó, güey? Got the long tubes on. Ready to go back on. See if we can have this knocked out today. It won't be turned on today because I still don't have fluids, and I'm still missing that reducer for the oil cooler, so probably tomorrow. So it's all good. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we got the torque converter placed in there. I got the lines hooked up on there. I'm gonna just leave it like this. So when I place it in there, I run them how I want to run them under here. Because more than likely I'm gonna run them through right here, up there, and then up through here, and then up into here. I'm gonna put it behind the grill. So I just run them up there. And when I put the tranny up, I'll just kind of stick it in there, so when I mount the actual oil cooler, put it where I want it, and then so you're gonna kind of be able to see it come right there somewhere, and I'll just cut them to fit, and we should be good.
To know what you knew, Christmas every time we start locking eyes. Lost
back at
Alright, so we finally got the transmission in. We struggled hella bad on this one, not gonna lie. But it's because the torque converter wasn't popped in all the way. What?
What?
But yeah, shout out to them. They helped me put this shit in.
Here's this new shit. Little shit.
So close. So close yet so far. It's good. Almost, almost. You know what? Wait. Alright, so everything's pretty much finished.
What?
How?
What the fuck?
Who the fuck?
You gonna get your ass beat for the to the YouTubes. The YouTube's familia.
So intake's on. Oil cooler's mounted. The lines are pretty much ran.
Oil cooler.
Ran through like you.
Yes. So pretty much everything we're waiting for is just that fitting, and then tomorrow I'll do the exhaust because I don't even have the white pipe here today to weld it on. But yeah, everything's done. Let's hope to start it up tomorrow.
What's up, guys? So it's another day over here working on the truck. My fittings came in today. This is the last thing I need right here. So I'm gonna put those on. And then I brought my white pipe today with the hollow caps. So I'll be putting that on, and I'll be welding up my my muffler as well. So hopefully I can get this truck out of here today and start dailying it again. I miss it. And intake's all in too. Looks nice. I gotta clean up the engine bay for sure. So yeah, let's just put the fittings on here, run these lines, and I can start it up.
I hear the fuel pump going. Oh.
Alright, so I wasn't able to take the truck home yesterday. I ran into another problem. The drive shaft was spinning and everything, but the rear end wasn't.
So I popping the cover off, and yep, I could already see covered in metal shavings. So it looks like when it blew the tranny and the rear end. How the hell does that even happen?
But I guess now when it comes back, it's gonna have everything new.
So let's pop off the cap and see how ugly it's looking under there.
Alright, so cover's off.
I don't think that's normal.
Damn.
I don't think that shit's supposed to be like that.
Dude, this shit really blew the tranny and the rear end. Holy shit. I never seen that happen. What's messed up is I wasn't even doing a burnout, swinging it or nothing when it blew. You just stop and go traffic on the off ramp and gave it some gas and it just banged hella loud and that was the end of it. That's crazy. Well, it's gonna be the end of it for this video, I guess. I gotta get a newer rear end. Probably go with a Z71 with 373s and throw that in there. What can we do? I already expected something to happen, but oh well. I guess till next time then. Hopefully by next time I have a newer rear end on this. I guess it's gonna come back harder than I thought. Well, yeah, till next time.
Take control.